Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to copy hashtags on Instagram Reels. So first, you just have to open your Instagram, and then here what you're going to do is you have to look for any reel here that you wanted to watch, and of course, you wanted to copy the hashtag. However, if you go to Reels and then look for hashtags, and you see here tons of hashtags, when you click this one, it will just take you directly to anything related to this. For example, about dogs. So if I tap this, it will just take me to this site right here where I can see anything that is, of course, related to that hashtag. So what you're going to do here is you just have to screenshot this part. Okay. Once you screenshot this, then you have to go to your gallery and look for that screenshot photo. Most of the cases, you can just copy this by going to your gallery, tapping it, and then you can select all and copy this. However, in my case, I cannot copy this on my gallery, even if I long press this. So if you can't do that, then what you're going to do here is you just have to simply go to any web browser. And then this time you have to look for convert image to text. Okay, so there are tons of sites that can help you convert that image into text. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to any web browser, and then this time you have to look for convert image into text or convert photo into text. So I'm going to find one, or you have to make sure that the website is, of course, 100% legit. Now I'm going to use this image to text converter. And what you're going to do here is you just have to import or browse that picture from your gallery. And then what you're going to do next is you just have to wait for the process. So it's now processing. And then after that, you're going to open the file where you can see all of the hashtags from that Instagram Reels. You can copy this and paste it wherever you want. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.